अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स एंड आई एम जावेद इकबाल। मैं आपका टीचर हूँ इंग्लिश का। एंड आज हम प्री नाइन्थ का टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, चैप्टर नंबर 2, पेट्रियाटिज़म। So basically, patriotism it means love for the motherland and devotion to one's country. And a patriot loves his country and is always willing to sacrifice his land himself for the sake of the country. The word patriot comes from the Latin word patriota, which means countryman. It is considered a commendable quality. So patriotism is a kind of act where everyone try to sacrifice his or her self for anything as well. It can be for his job, it can be for the sake of country, it can be for his home as well, it can be for the values of his elders as well. So patriotism basically it also gives us strength, and with the help of patriotism we can safeguard an interest of our country, of our job, in the field of job or anything we can do. So for a patriot, the sovereignty, integrity and the honor of the country are of the supreme values on which no compromise can be made, because if we will take the motto of patriotism, we will make no compromise on anything as well. So Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, we can take the example of him. He was a great patriot. He rendered his life for the sake of his country. And along with Qaid Azam, there are many Sufi poets, there are many people at the time of partition who lay out their lives to get out this country as well. So once he said that we must develop a sense of patriotism which galvanizes us all into united and a strong nation. So basically the spirit of patriotism, it can stay us alert in the sake of foreign invasion. So in the history of Pakistan there are many instances, there are many examples. We can quote many examples as well, especially in the war of 1965, in the war of 1971, in the Kargil war. So the brave people laid out their life for the sake of their country. We have the name of Major Tufail Muhammad, we have the name of Major Aziz Bhatti, we have the name of Major Sarwar Hussain and Lance Naik and Major Mahfouz and Havaldar Lalak Jan. These are kind of sort of the people who laid out their life, and that was just because of the patriotism. Because when you have this word, when you have this motto, when you have this strong and keen desire in your heart, so you can perform any task, you can do anything. So this chapter is all about the patriotism. You can quote many example by your own, and I'm going to leave some of the last points up to you. You can think by yourself with the help of brainstorming. What is brainstorming? कि आप जो है ना ख़ुद से ज़रा सोच सकते हैं कि इसके अलावा और क्या ऐसी पेट्रियाटिज़म की मिसालें हो सकती हैं हमारे पास। पेट्रियाटिज़म के अलावा जो वर्ड पेट्रियाटिज़म है, ये सिर्फ किसी वॉर से रिलेटेड नहीं है कि हम बैटल फील्ड के अंदर खड़े हैं तो वहाँ पे ही हमने पेट्रियाटिज़म दिखानी है। हम पेट्रियाटिज़म जो है ना फील्ड ऑफ जॉब के अंदर, हम पेट्रियाटिज़म अपने घर के अंदर किसी घर के ऐसे प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए मैटर को वहाँ पर भी दिखा सकते हैं। सो we can show patriotism, we can do patriotism in any way. So you have your internet, you can go over there, you can find many examples, you can see many videos over there. So this is all about today's lecture. If you have any problem, you can question me, and I will upload this video on the YouTube channel of Air Foundation. So you can saw this and see this and watch this video, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Thank you for today's lecture.